Now let us discuss about shift registers. Shift registers are mainly useful for shifting the data. So the major difference between register and shift register is, with the help of register we can only store the data, whereas with the help of shift register we can shift the data. Shift register is also a collection of flip-flops just like register, where the output of one flip-flop will be connected as input to the next flip-flop. There are several applications of shift registers. So the first one is, so these are the applications. So the first one is data storage. So with the help of shift register also we can store some data. Why? Because it is also a register. Second one is we can do data transfer. So with the help of shift register we can transferring is nothing but shifting the data. We can shift the data to the left or to the right. If we transfer the data in left to the left, then that register is called as shift left register. So shift left register means a shift register capable of doing only left operation. So likewise, if we perform the shift right operation, then the corresponding register is called as shift right register. So a register capable of doing shift right operation is called as shift right register. And the third application is with the help of shift register we can do various data manipulations, like we can perform addition operation, next multiplication operation, division operation with the help of the shift registers. So these three are the major applications of the shift registers. Shift registers are mainly classified into four types. First one is SISO. SISO stands for serial in, serial out. In means input. Second one is SIPO, stands for serial in, parallel out. In means input. Third one is PISO, parallel in, serial out. Fourth one is PIPO, parallel in, parallel out. So in this video I will give overview on these four registers. In the next four videos we will see in more detail about these four registers. So in the examination, if the question is given on explain shift register or explain various types of shift registers for 7 marks, then this answer is enough. Whereas if the question is given for 15 marks, then it is better to explain these registers in detail. So I will share those 4 links in the description. If you want, just go through that. So in the next 4 videos we will see these 4 topics. Okay. First let us see about SISO. SISO stands for serial in, serial out. So here it is a 4-bit shift register. So we know that register means a collection of flip-flops. So this is one flip-flop, second flip-flop, third flip-flop, fourth flip-flop. Here we have clock pulse. This clock pulse will be applied on all the 4 flip-flops. On all the 4 flip-flops, this clock pulse will be applied. Serial in means the input will be applied in serial manner. Serial manner means one by one. Whereas here the output is also serial output. So that means we will get output also in serial manner. So bit by bit we will get the output. So that is about SISO. And here we have serial in, serial input, and here we have serial output. So input will be supplied in serial manner one by one. Output will also be produced in serial manner one by one. Second one is SIPO. So stands for serial in, parallel out. So here we have clock pulse. This clock pulse will be applied on all the flip-flops. Here the input will be applied in serial fashion one by one. Whereas we will get the output parallelly. We will get the output parallelly. So let the register, here we have 4 bits. So in order to apply the input, we need 4 clock pulses. Why? Because here the register capacity is 4 bits. Whereas we will get the output in parallel. So for producing the output, only 1 clock pulse is enough. Third one is PISO, parallel in serial output. Parallel in serial output. So the name itself specifies the meaning. Here the input will be applied in parallel fashion. So with the help of only 1 clock pulse, we can apply the input. We can apply these 4 bits. Whereas here we will get the output in serial fashion. So 1 by 1. 1 by 1. If we apply 1 clock pulse, we will get 1 bit as the output. If we apply the second clock pulse, 2 bits. If we apply the third clock pulse, 3 bits, likewise. Okay. We will discuss in detail later. Fourth one is PIO. PIPO stands for parallel in, parallel out. So here the inputs will be applied, loaded in parallel manner, as well as the outputs will also be produced in parallel manner. So only 2 clock pulses are enough. Okay. So for input 1 clock pulse, for output also 1 clock pulse. So this is about what is a shift register and different types of shift registers. In the next 4 videos, we will discuss about these registers in detail.